Dear viewers, in the view of upcoming Civil Services Preliminary Examination, PT 2021 revision series has been started to make your preparation better. The program will be published at 9 a.m. daily. Hope this initiative of ours will be beneficial for you. Thank you. Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Global Innovation Index 2021. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. India has climbed 2 spots and has been ranked 46th by the World Intellectual Property Organization in the Global Innovation Index, that is GII 2021 rankings. India has been on a rising trajectory over the past several years in the Global Innovation Index or GII, from a rank of 81 in 2015 to 46 in 2021. Now let's have a look at the key highlights of rankings. Performance at global level. Switzerland topped the legal table, followed by Sweden, the US and the UK. Among Asian economies, South Korea jumped to the 5th position, up from 10 last year. China was in the 12th position. The consistent improvement in the GII ranking is owing to the immense knowledge capital, the vibrant startup ecosystem, and the amazing work done by the public and the private research organizations. The Niti Aayog has been working tirelessly to ensure the optimization of the national efforts for bringing policy-led innovation in different areas such as biotechnology, nanotechnology, space, etc. The India Innovation Index released by the Niti Aayog has been widely accepted as a major step in the direction of decentralization of innovation across all the states of India. Now let's discuss about Global Innovation Index. It provides detailed metrics about the innovation performance of 132 countries and economies around the world. Its 81 indicators explore a broad vision of innovation, including political environment, education, infrastructure, and business sophistication. The GII report is published by WIPO in partnership with the Portulance Institute with support of corporate network partners such as the Confederation of Indian Industry, Brazilian National Confederation of Industry, Ecopetrol Group Colombia, and the Turkish Exporters Assembly. The GII is the fulcrum for the governments across the world to assess the social and the economic changes in their respective countries. Over the years, the GII has established itself as a policy tool for various governments and helped them to reflect upon the existing status quo. Now let's discuss about India Innovation Index. India Innovation Index report is released by Niti Aayog with the Institute for Competitiveness. The index has been developed on the lines of the Global Innovation Index or GII to ameliorate the innovation ecosystem of Indian states and union territories, that is UTs, and to design policies to drive innovation across regions. It goes beyond traditional approaches by considering the best parameters in measuring innovation, such as patents per million of population, publication in scientific journals, percentage of GDP spending on research. It also adds parameters that are specific to the Indian economy, example, demographic dividend, to give it a more holistic coverage. Indicators used. The indicators that the survey uses includes the level and quality of education and parameters such as number of PhD students and knowledge-intensive employment, enrollment in engineering and technology and number of highly skilled professionals, investment in R&D and number of patents and trademark applications filed, internet subscribers, and FDI inflows, business environment and safety and legal environment. Now moving on to the prelims based question. The Global Innovation Index, recently in news, is released by which of the following organizations? A. WIPO, B. UNCTAD, C. UNDP, or D. World Bank? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.